going forward for an implementation, so I need to have product selection. So there are a lot of third-party CRMs also are available in the market. It's not that they are not there. A lot of famous brands are available, but ultimately the organization has to decide and to do a proper analysis that my core end application software is going to be an SAP, then what it can integrate and how seamlessly to and fro. It's not only a one-way traffic. One-way traffic is simple that way. I have got some third-party legacy system and then I just pull the data, because as I explained, anything is an Excel. I can put a schedule BAPIs or bodies, or I can schedule and take it inside my system. But throwing back again to system on the third party, that and again integration. So two-way traffic, that becomes a challenge in third party components. So again, these are some parameters. So integration with ERP system. So whatever ERP I have in our case, obviously we are talking about the core SAP, where SAP is implemented as a backend application platform, as a standard application. Then something which is very seamlessly integrated, and going forward, if say think of 10 years down the line, and all this new company, a lot of acquisitions have been, even in ERP space. I have seen in QAD, MFG Pro or something, those were. Now SAP and Oracle apps, these are the only two brands, and next 5-10 years only limited brands will get survived in the market. That's the fact. So something which is scalable, which will have good existence, we should look into that. That's very important to have a seamless integration with the system. Again, as the standardization, I am standardizing on some same common platform. So I talk to a single vendor. My service needs or my maintenance contracts and all other things, I do not end up talking to or managing with different entities. Really, it's on our own platform where we do. But the most important, what we thought of, that seamless integration, as what I was saying, that again from having ECC stabilized and then taking up the data from there as a cutover challenges, rather than we took this very conscious call of implementing CRM with ECC. So in one shot, it was a big bang module kind of thing, and we tried to complete within the same span. Along with the ECC, even the CRM layer got implemented. Availability of trained manpower, again, that is also one of the issues. The softwares which are complicated, or if you need to run some batch programming, some pool programming from a legacy, do some churning of the data and then pass it on to SAP. Then somebody has to remember, somebody has to see that synchronization algorithm and then pass it on. It has some challenges. Again, accuracy, efficiency and adaptability, these are again on the other side. All this as a part of one system. So accuracy, how accurate the data is, how accurate if I am taking the booking forms in some legacy software, some booking amount, some check entries are done over there, and then again the same thing have been getting passed on to my SDA FI module. Then there is always chances of human errors or even the data integrity of it. The accuracy, efficiency, again, meaning of efficiency, I would give an example. Once I block or you block a CRM as an opportunity then gets into a lead, the sequence or follow, then finally he does a booking, pays the amount, he becomes a customer. Then on that same tab you go on clicking, now this has become this has become this, and one should confirm him as a customer in CRM. Along with the recon account, I'm saying the whole data gets flown into SD and FI. I don't have to go to again in SD and manage the account group and change the recon account. The seamlessly data, there is no duplicate entry. Entirely seamlessly the data comes from CRM and flows into SD as well as FI, because ultimately he becomes your customer, so it has to hit your accounts receivable on this. Same adaptability, these are some pointers there. So on this again analysis, to be honest, we thought of Infor-Velocity, Salesforce, various top brands which were there as a cost-effective solution, but ultimately on a longer period of time and for greater we definitely found that SAP CRM could be definitely a better option from integration point of view, from data accuracy, from seamless flowing of the data on the same platform. And the product is getting matured day by day. I mean, this 7.01, that the new component which has come, it's much better. Someone who has earlier seen the earlier one and the today's, I mean, who would, because I have seen those, there is a phenomenal difference. The way UI interface, the look and feel of the entire screens and all this. A lot of things have changed. And definitely a lot of R&D is going on. So the product is going to get evolved, matured and matured.